Happy moment to everyone. This is Perkish Salamina, Assistant Professor, Department of Social Work, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous Kadalur. In this lecture, I am going to explain about industrial relations, meaning and definition. This slide explain about the meaning of industrial relation. The term industrial relation comprises of two joined words, which means industrial and relation. Industry means any kind of productive activity which taken by the company or engaged by any individual. The productive activity includes primary activities and secondary activities. Secondary activities focus on agriculture, fisheries, plantation, forestry, horticulture, mining, and so on. The secondary activities include manufacturing, construction, trade, transport, commerce, banking, and communication, etc. So when we talk about this industrial relations, it fully depends on the industry, which means the secondary sector of the factory production. This industry includes the main productive aspect of land, labor, capital, and enterprises. These consist of 4M, which is man, material, money, and machines, or the important aspect of the industries. The relations means the relationship exists between the employer and employee, and between the employer and between the employee, and in the workforce. The industrial relation means the relationship between employees and employee, as I said earlier. This relationship talks about the between trade union and the other industries. In the broader sense, the term industrial relation includes a relationship between the various union, between the state and the unions, as well as those between the various employers and the government. A relationship of all those associated in an industry may be called as industrial relations. This slide explains about the definition of industrial relation, which is given by T.N. Kapoor. The term industrial relation should be understood in the sense of labor management relations, as it percolates into a wider set of relationships touching extensively all aspects of labor, such as union policies, personal policies, and practices including wages, welfare and social security, service condition, supervision, and communication, collective bargaining, and attitude of the parties and governmental action on the labor matter. So when we talk about this industrial relation, it is not the single thing, but it includes all the aspects of the industries. It starts from the wages and the welfare measures and the social security and all the policies, practices which included in the industries. So this industrial relations affect all the aspect of industry. So it is interconnected with all the process. So we have to maintain the good industrial relation in order to develop the industries. The next definition is given by International Labour Organization. Industrial relations deal with either the relationship between the state and the employers and the workers' organization, or the relations between the occupational organizations themselves. So according to ILO, this inter-industrial relation is dealing with the relationship between state and the employers and workers. So their relationship should be maintained in a good manner so that the organization can achieve the goal in a correct time. And according to Dolly order, industrial relation is a relationship between management and employees and their organization that gestates and grow out of employment. Thank you.